Alright, so today we're going to create a pie chart. Now, the process of creating a pie chart is pretty much similar to what we did earlier last week when we created a bar graph. Except for this time, I'm not gonna select too much. I'm not going all the way down. Just 5 names so that you can clearly see the pie chart. So we're gonna do just like we did last week. We're gonna use the quick analysis tool. Like I said last week, uh, if you have an older version of Excel, you might not be able to see the quick tool analysis. Click on it. You go to charts. Okay. Last week we did clustered for the bar graph, but today we're going to do the pie chart. Click on it, and there you go. You already have your pie chart. And if you want to change the title, since like I cannot say we have a title now, just have to select what you have right now. We're gonna call it monthly sales, just like last week, and you just click outside of the graph. Click on the graph. If you click on the plus sign, if you want your data labels to show up, you click on it, and there you go. All of the labels are here. And just as last week, you can do it right here too. Okay. And if you want to design your chart, there are many ways. If you go on this, you have a chart. Go here, you have another one. I mean the same chart but different design. All right. Alright, so we're gonna select this one. Okay. Now, when it comes to the labels, you can choose the way that you want them to show up on your chart. Here they are centered. If I want them inside, in, outside, in, they are outside now, inside, center. Right. So if you click on this arrow, you can decide where exactly you want the labels to show up. All right, now for this chart you have it like pretty much simple, but sometimes people want to have it on a 3D style. If you want to have it on a 3D style, go there, change chart type, click on it. All right, if I click on it and I want to select the 2D style, 3D pie. This is the 2D style, and I click OK. Now I have my chart in a 2D style. All right, just like a cake. But usually when you are at your job, you might want to show your boss something pretty much stylish, something pretty. All right. So oftentimes people, let's say that you have one slice that you want to show your boss exactly what you want to talk about. Let's say I want some part of this chart to explode. All right, what I can do is explode the chart. All right. All right. So I'll just explode my chart. Now let's go ahead and put it exactly how it was so that I can show you what I did. Okay. Now let's say that my chart was like this, right? And I want to explode the chart. I want to show my boss exactly where what I want to show him. I can just click on it. You click on it. When I say click, left click, then you go for a right click. After the right click, you go all the way down and format data series. Now, when you go here, you can see there's a pi explosion. It's at 0% now, right? So let's say I want to put it at 12%. See, my chart exploded. Put it back where it was. Now let's say that I want to explode only a specific slice. Let's say the blue one, or okay, let's go for the yellow one. Okay, so I click on it and I make sure that only the yellow one is selected. You can see only the yellow one is selected here, right? And I go here. I do the same thing. You can go here and type whatever you want to type. If it's 10%, you want to do it, but let's go for the easier option. I go there. I go for 20%. 20%. All right, let's leave it at 20%. See, only the yellow part is right. And if you wanna put it back how it was before, just put it back. Let's say now I want my boss to see what's going on with the gray part. I select the gray part, right? And I go there. Again, like I said, if you want, you can go there and enter 10%, 20%. But I'm gonna do it easier. I'm just go there and go 27%. See, the gray part stands out. Now I can tell my boss, okay, here is the 24% I'm talking about. All right. And if I wanted to put it back at how it was. All right. So again, like I said, you click on the pie, not on the on this area. You click on the chart, right click, and you go to format data series. All right. Now, just like we did last week, if you want to move your chart, just click on it and you can move it. Like click the whole chart, you can move it. All right. If you want to put it in a specific area, and if you say, you know what, I want my chart on another sheet, you go there, move chart, you see the new sheet, you select new sheet, and if you want to name it, let's name it pie chart 2, and you go OK, and your chart is moved to a new sheet. All right, that was it for today. See you in the next video.